Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we have something special for all you garden enthusiasts out there. We're diving into the PowerSmart electric wood chipper leaf mulcher, the PS12. And let me tell you, it's a game changer for your garden and yard maintenance. Stick around because you're about to discover why this is the best shredder mulcher available. Alright, let's kick things off by unboxing this bad boy. As we open the box, you can see that everything is securely packaged. Inside, you'll find the electric wood chipper, the collecting bin, and the user manual. First impressions? Well, the build quality looks sturdy and robust. The PowerSmart electric wood chipper PS12 has a sleek design with a vibrant color scheme that'll make it stand out in your garden shed. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty details of what makes this PowerSmart wood chipper leaf mulcher stand out from the competition. First up, it's equipped with a 15-amp brushless motor. This motor is not only powerful but also efficient, ensuring a long product life. What can you shred with this machine? Well, it can handle branches up to 1.5 inches in diameter, making quick work of those pruning leftovers. But that's not all. It can also tackle leaves, vegetable peelings, and more. Check out the 1.2 bushels collecting bin. It's perfect for gathering and transferring the chipped materials conveniently. Say goodbye to messy cleanup. Worried about assembly? Fear not. You can have this wood chipper up and running in just 5 minutes. Simply screw the knob to check the plugging condition. It's that easy. And here's the icing on the cake. This leaf mulcher is backed by a 3-year warranty, has a repair service center in the US, and offers 24-hour online support. That's customer satisfaction at its finest. Now, let's put the PowerSmart electric wood chipper PS12 to the test. We'll be shredding some branches and leaves to see how it performs in action. As you can see, this machine handles the job with ease. It's efficient, and the collecting bin makes cleanup a breeze. While there are some mixed opinions, many users are thrilled with the PowerSmart PS12's performance, especially its ability to turn garden waste into useful mulch. Finally, let's talk about the price. The PowerSmart electric wood chipper leaf mulcher PS12 is listed at $189.99, down from $219.99. That's a 14% discount. So, in conclusion, if you're in the market for a reliable and versatile shredder mulcher for your garden and yard, the PowerSmart PS12 is definitely a top contender. With its powerful motor, easy assembly, and collecting bin, it's a game changer for garden enthusiasts. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth product reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you next time.